What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. This week, got the old SSR pit bike, and we're gonna take her at the skate park. Let's get it.
Some's battery.
Start it up, Lip.
Now turn the gas on.
Ride it over.
Can't get no traction. So we don't have a tube in it. It's literally like, it's just like not even on the rim.
It's off the bead.
Yeah, so.
Spin that here. I guess it gets a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know. It's also snow, so we're not going to get much traction.
Boys, skate park is covered in snow. It's a random ass bike here.
All right, we just ate some shit here. I'm trying to get it started. It is insanely slippery out here. Everyone's falling down. Doesn't go forward. Oh.
Yeah, the kid.
Got some ice today. Pretty thin too, like 4 or 5 inches. I mean, I guess it's not that bad, but as you can see, there's nobody else out here, so probably the first ones to do it so far on this lake. So yeah, we're just gonna see what happens, do some cool shit. I don't know, do some shitties. Hopefully no one falls through, but we'll see. Alright guys, so these are today's vehicles for the thin ice video. We got the Badger, the 80cc kit four-wheeler, and then we got the old Rancher. That's mine. And we're just gonna throw some 360s, do some donuts, and I don't know, we'll see what happens.
Alright, we got Jimmy checking the ice here. How many inches we got, Jim?
Good 4.
That's a good 8 inches.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
Drop top, how we rollin' down on Collin South Beach. Yeah, look like Kelly rollin', this might be my destiny. She want me to eat it, I guess dinner's on me. I got you, know I got the sauce like a fucking recipe. She just wanna do it for the grand. She just want this money in my hand. I'ma give it to her when she dance, dance, dance. She gon' catch a Uber out the Calabasas.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Yo, bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
I think you got the wrong impression about me back. Just cause they heard what hood I'm from, they think I'm crazy. Okay, well maybe just a little crazy. Cause I admit I'm crazy about that lady, yeah. Finger to the world, let's fuck you, pay. I've been slaving, gun the pussy cause I'm running out of patience. No more waiting, no, no. Bouncing like a yo-yo. Living life on fast forward, but we fucking slow-mo, yeah, yeah.
She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan. I can't wait for the show. Got that good, yeah, I know. You should not be alone. All this drink got me gone. Car got me right, and I feel so alive. She don't wanna think, she don't wanna be no wife. She just wanna stay out late, she just wanna sniff the white. Can't tell her nothing, no, can't tell her nothing, no. She said she too young, don't want no man. So she gon' call her friends, now that's a plan. I just ordered sushi from Japan. Now yo bitch wanna kick it, Jackie Chan.
That little wet one over there. Breathing like that one. no zooming in.
Dude, this camera is amazing.
Huh? What? I thought a bro nigga said something. Talking shit, but they still ain't saying nothing. We gon' trap this bitch out till the feds come.
Run it up,
Huh?
What she say?
I thought a pussy hoe said something. How I go when I'm talking, you listen.
Jealous.
Cut her off cause she spoke on the business.
Go.
Hundreds and fifties, can't swap a dime for a penny. You know that's a stupid decision.
Yep.
Head first with it. I shot a shot at my nigga, bitch. Really didn't think before I did it.
Nope.
Make it make sense.
Please.
Luckily, I was on point with the last hoe. Kept my receipts.
Why?
Warranted good. Make sure I got her for a refund when I gave her back to the streets.
Go.
Forever I rep, put the set on the chain. I'm thugging, you already know how I came. Yeah, he got money, but niggas be lame. I Lambo'd her life, told her get out that rain. Her manny and petty, same color my teeth.
White.
She got a blue chick and a chick without me.
Nice.
Hood nigga riding in the phone on E.
Still.
Sick of these niggas COVID-19. Karate to walk it, trying to keep the cup.
Shake.
Came up like Giannis, I get bigger bucks.
Maybe.
Got 4 different choppers right now in this truck.
No.
I'm just being honest, I can get you touched. Put you in the blender, I can get you slush. I see the comments, but really I'm bothered. I know it's hurting, she salty, I scarred her. Beware what you lay up and say to these bitches, they can't hold water.
Period.
I thought a bro nigga said something. Talking shit, but they still ain't saying nothing. We gon' trap this bitch out till the feds come.
Run it up,
Huh?
What she say?
I thought a pussy hoe said something. How I go when I'm talking, you listen.
Jealous.
Cut her off cause she spoke on the business.
Go.
I thought a nigga who watch what I do, but he can't get his bitch back said something. Is it true that he posting another nigga money? Probably. I'm put that past him.
Maybe so.
I thought a hoe that be speaking on me, but be fucking a broke nigga said something.
Listen.
Hold up, little bitch, get a nigga that's lit. I'm the whole loaf, he the breadcrumb.
Go.
Rappers with these mixed feelings.
What?
I ain't fucking with them.
Nope.
Like a Richard Mille, let me know what time it is. Bag what a run set.
Huh?
Know you got it on, you supposed to be smell proof. Busting out the back, I'm seal. These niggas little boy childish, Fisher Price. Confident I'm not cocky, so get it right. She bending over, but I want some head first. I don't even wanna know what the pussy like. Tripping too close to falling, so I'm ballin'. It's crazy, my op got shot, but I ain't call it.
Psych, slow up.
I come around, niggas go put they hoe up. These bitches stay on my channel, yeah. Musta seen me on TV, yeah. It took me 6 hours to count a meal exactly. I'm accurate with that cheese, yeah.
Big bag.
Huh?
What?
I thought a bro nigga said something. Talking shit, but they still ain't saying nothing. We gon' trap this bitch out till the feds come.
Run it up,
Huh?
What she say?
I thought a pussy hoe said something. How I go when I'm talking, you listen.
Jealous.
Cut her off cause she spoke on the business.
Go.
Oh shit! Oh god, oh god, oh shit! Right?
Day we did some fishing, didn't catch a whole lot. Definitely did some ripping though. Pretty successful day though. Got a beautiful sunset, so that's gonna be it for today. We'll see you next week.